Carrot. A long, orange vegetable that grows underground and is crunchy and sweet to eat. The bunny was so excited about the carrot that he threw a party in the garden. Potato. A round vegetable that grows underground and can be cooked in many ways, like mashed, fried, or baked. Lucy loved potatoes so much, she once tried to make a potato sandwich with potato chips inside. Tomato. A red, round fruit that people often use in salads, sauces, or sandwiches. Max thought a tomato was a vegetable, but his science teacher said, "Nope, it's a sneaky fruit." Onion. A round vegetable with many layers that makes people cry when they cut it. I tried cutting an onion, and now I look like I just watched the saddest movie ever. Cucumber. A long green vegetable with a cool, crunchy inside. I drew a face on my cucumber and now it's my emotional support veggie. Lettuce. A leafy green vegetable used in salads. My sandwich had so much lettuce, it was like eating a garden. Cabbage. A round green or purple vegetable with lots of leaves. Dad made cabbage soup. Even the dog left the kitchen. Corn. A yellow vegetable that grows on a cob and pops into popcorn. I put butter on my corn, and now it's too slippery to catch. Broccoli. A green vegetable that looks like a tiny tree. I tried to trade my broccoli for cookies, but my mom is too smart. Spinach. A green leafy vegetable that is very healthy. I told my spinach I was full, and it said, "Nice try." Garlic. A small, white vegetable with a strong smell and taste, often used to make food delicious. The vampire ran away when he smelled the garlic pizza, so I got to eat it all. Pea. A tiny, round green vegetable that comes in a pod. Mom said, "Eat your peas," and the peas said, "Don't listen to her." Bean. A small, round or oval seed that you can eat. I found a bean wearing sunglasses, it said it was too cool for stew. Pumpkin. A large, round, orange vegetable often used for carving at Halloween. I asked the pumpkin for advice, but all it said was, "Squash your fears." Pepper. A spicy powder that makes food taste stronger. I sneezed so hard from the pepper that my sandwich flew across the table. Salad. A mix of raw vegetables, often with dressing. Grandma says salad is good for me. I'm not sure we agree on what good means.